Happy Cocktail Wednesday! Obviously every week this is my favourite day of the week and I'm going to show you this week how to make a zombie cocktail. So this is pretty exciting. So we need a cocktail shaker for this. So I'm just going to add some ice and then we're going to add, this is using dark rum and white rum. So I'm going to use a shot of dark rum. I feel like this is going to be really, really strong. And a shot of white rum. And then I'm going to use some pineapple juice and I'm just going to fill this up. And then what we do, we just need to give this a shake. So the idea is to shake this until you kind of feel the outside of the glass that's quite cold, and then you know that it's ready. I actually don't know why you do that, but that's what everybody says to do. Okay, so once I've given this a shake, it smells actually really good. It kind of reminds me a little bit about my Jumbo cocktail that I made. It's similar, but now it looks a bit like beer. But anyway, so we pour this into the glass. And then we add our final touches. So we need some red grenadine, and this is gonna, I guess, make it look like a zombie, I don't know. Who knows? So I'm gonna add this in. It does look so good. I do like a good rum cocktail. So that's kind of what it's looking like at the moment. It does look like beer. And then I'm gonna add some cherries to it, because we're making the cherry looking kind of nice. Add my umbrella. And then I'm gonna try it. So this is always the favourite bit. So let's see what this tastes like. Wow, that is actually really nice. I think that's maybe one of my favourite cocktails that I've made. It looks so good. So if you want to find out my other recipes and kind of find out other things that I get up to, you can go on to my YouTube page of Natalie Eaglen, and you can go to my website as well on natalieeaglen.com. Cheers, happy Cocktail Wednesday.